Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Tech Life. It is post-graduation time, and I'm sure what everybody is wondering about is what am I going to do now? A lot of people go to boot camps because they want to change their careers, or they want to start their careers. So it's a fair question to be wondering what my plans are. I'll be honest with you is that my plans are probably different from maybe your traditional bootcamp student, and I'll tell you why. And I may have already mentioned it from some of my videos, but one, I'm already employed. I'm happy in the job that I have. So wanting a career change is not necessarily something that I am desperate for or just, just have to have. That wasn't my goal immediately. Also, something different about my situation is that the reason that I wanted to learn to code, well, I've always liked it. I've always liked programming, and I taught myself because I just thought it was cool, and I enjoy it. But a reason I took the step in going to a boot camp to further the amount of coding that I knew was because my family and I have a dream of traveling the country in our RV, and that is something that we plan on doing soon. And having this skill set, I think, is able to help me do that because I can find more work, hopefully, from the road that I would not be able to do before the boot camp. So immediately what I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to continue my education. I'm doing some projects. I'm doing one right now, actually. I'm trying to just better myself every day from the day I graduated the boot camp. That's kind of where I am right now. I'm not pushing my resume out there like a lot of students might already have been. Once we hit the road, then yeah, I definitely want to take a job with something, but I don't need to make that much money once we're on the road because we've been planning for this. So we've taken care of our debt and all this other stuff. And if you really want to know more about that, I'll actually put a link to my other channel where I talk about our RV adventure that's coming up. That's kind of where I am right now. I do know that there are some people in my class that already got a job offer. There are some people that were offered or invited to become teaching assistants. It is possible to find jobs immediately right after the boot camp. It really comes down to you, to be honest. If there's some specific questions that you have about the boot camp, about looking for a job right afterward, please let me know in the description. I do have some plans that I can't talk about right now, but if they come into fruition, I will let you know. It does have to do with coding. It has to do with the boot camp and everything, but it's too early for me to say anything about it. Another thing is my final project. I'm gonna show it to you guys, but I also have at least one person from my class that reached out to me and wants to partner up and see if we can maybe make this into something that can make us some money, into a business. So that is also something that we're kind of working on. Some of you have reached out to me as well that you have started the boot camp, so that is awesome. I think one thing that I want to do is I want to start making some videos about stuff related to the beginning of the boot camp, like how to use Git a little bit and making repositories, because that's something that's going to plague you for the entire boot camp. And maybe just make a couple of little HTML, CSS, JavaScript videos. If there's a video that you would like me to work on in particular regarding some sort of technology, yeah, let me know and I'd be happy to do that. So, all right, I will see you guys at the next video. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you at the next one. Bye.